Hi, I'm Elena Love from Pure Joy Planet. Have you heard of the term flexitarian? Maybe you have and maybe you haven't, but you're probably curious about what the heck is that. Well, I feel like I've been a flexitarian for a lot of years now. When I first got into health and well-being back in the year 1997, I was 100% extremist. That's not a flexitarian. I was 100% raw, 100% vegan, and I would not break from that program. And I think it was at least a good 5 years that I alienated all my friends and family, not all of them maybe, but a lot of them. I was on my high and mighty horse thinking my way is the only way. Did I feel amazing? Yes. Did I heal my body? Yes. Did I lose a ton of weight? Yes. However, in the interim of that, I also stressed myself out. I probably imbalanced my hormones in some way by forcing and pushing my body to do things it wasn't quite ready for. So yes, I believe that a raw food diet is amazing. Do I think you need to be 100% raw? Absolutely not. Yes, I think a vegan diet is amazing, or a plant-based diet. Do I think you need to do 100% all the time? Absolutely not. You know, there's a lot of things that we love to do and that we know are good for us and heal our body. But when we get too rigid, we can sometimes stress our bodies out. So I use this example a lot when I teach my culinary school. You know, if you're stressing out about, is my diet 100% perfect? Then usually stress is going to cause more acidity in your body than eating a sweet potato french fry in that moment that you're out with your family at a picnic and like you're going to have one fry or whatever. You know, so stressing out about being perfect, we've seen those people. Maybe they look hot in a swimsuit, but you don't really want to spend more than 5 minutes with them because they're just so extreme. So flexitarianism is basically what I teach at my culinary school and in all my programs, which is follow a diet that's healthy and good for you. Like what we teach is a plant-based, ketogenic, low-carb diet that feeds your brain amazing food. We fill it up with superfoods and nutrition and think good thoughts and write in our journals and stay positive. But there's times when you just really need to have a conversation with someone about something that's not 100% positive. Or you need to just, you're out, you're on a picnic, you're traveling, and you just really need to have that fill in the blank, whatever it is for you. And you find that in that moment of doing that flexitarian thing, you're actually happier, more vibrant, and maybe your body even responds in a better way because there's something called hormesis, which is good stress. So sometimes exposing ourselves to something that's quote unquote bad can cause a hormetic effect, which is good for us. So it's like jumping in ice cold water. It's not necessarily the best thing ever for you to hang out in ice cold water, but when you do that in a hormetic way, a small stress way, you actually heal your body and you promote a better overall system of well-being. Happier family life, happier you, happier everything, more balance. So that's what flexitarianism is. So if you want to know more about being a flexitarian, then sign up for my mailing list on purejoyplanet.com and follow me, Elena Love, on all my fun adventures in this flexible world.